Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. So I love leopard print ballet flats. I was so excited when I found this pair from Amazon Essentials. They're ballet flats with a pointed toe, and I just think they are so cute. They're cute and classy, and they go with just about anything I want to put them with. I love that I can wear them with a pair of jeans or with a skirt, and they look great. But of course, a really important thing for me, just about anyone looking for a good pair of shoes, is how comfortable they are. And I think that these are really comfortable. They have some really nice squish in the bottom of the sole, and I haven't gotten any blisters, which is fantastic for me. Sometimes I struggle with ballet flats, so these are just fantastic. They're super comfortable, they're super cute, and if you are also looking for a cute, comfortable pair of leopard print ballet flats, then I think you would love these. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.